What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to go get the new motor from Robbie's house. I'm so stoked. I cannot wait. But of course, anything like New England weather, it's raining out. So what I gotta go do is go pick up the U-Haul truck that I reserved. We're gonna put 2 tires down so then we can put the rest of the motor there. Grab our ratchet straps. We're gonna ratchet strap the motor to the back of the truck and go see Robbie and see what's up. And then after that, we gotta go get an engine hoist for our buddy Bobby's house. He's letting us use that, so Bobby, thank you very much. And yeah, then we just start plugging away and getting ready. So I am super stoked. I hope you guys are. I cannot wait for this. Another Z. All the Z's. Yes, sir. My guy, here he is, done. Look at this. Sure. Excited, dude. Hell yeah. How you been, my guy? Just working? He's like, dude.
Because I don't really feel like lifting this shit up. I
Oh,
got a
yeah.
hernia that needs surgery. This guy has 2 back operations. Jeremy's the only healthy one we got.
And I'm staying healthy.
The 3 freaking stooges here. Okay, Rob, let's do this, baby.
You gonna drive this year or what?
Yeah, dude,
Awesome.
I've
Let's
got
do it, man. It's worth it.
way more money now. Than I've got to do jobs. So probably gonna go out and drive to a few events and
Yeah, I'm going, man. I'm
old
game.
school.
Hell yeah, I feel you.
Old school.
Yeah,
It's worth
yeah.
it. It's worth doing it, man. I had fun. My friend Bobby did it.
Pull the Zach
We were
West
dri-
out there.
We were drag racing, right? And then these guy event shows up. We're drag racing during the day. They're freaking drifting at night. Oh, Bobby, jump in it. Yeah? He comes back. That was fun, man.
Oh, he went in Jesse's 1J.
He's like,
E36.
Oh yeah,
I want to do it again. He goes,
With
this is
him.
funner than. He goes, this is funner than drag racing.
Just need to lube her up a bit.
So it needs his fluid, Rob. A hydraulic fluid. Hey, Rob, a hydraulic fluid pump runs on hydraulic fluid. You know, like Miller.
My
Lip
dad's
Balm's
a-
a dick.
My dad's a clown. My dad's a clown.
It's amazing what Rob can do.
All right, guys. So we're gonna start heading out. When we're starting heading out, we're gonna do that. We'll get the motor dropped off at my dad's. Going off from there, me and Robbie are gonna have some sick footage coming up with some replacing some piston rings. Because I know nothing about that, and Robbie was just giving me a little bit of background on it, and I'm like, okay, so
Yeah, we're not just gonna toss them on.
yeah, I'm not just gonna, I'm gonna have, again, professional walk me through it, but obviously we're gonna get all that footage for you guys, so I'll make sure that it's done properly, and you guys will be able to do it, and again, just in like a backyard / little garage area, so, but Robbie, thank you again, bud, for everything. I appreciate you. Can't wait to see you out there this year. It's gonna be sick, I promise you.
I'm gonna be out a lot this year.
I want it. We need it.
I'm going too.
I need 2 Z's stacked up on door. So,
Just
but
don't crash into each other.
no, that's
I
the
have plenty of
point.
spare doors.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah, we got 2 doors there. We got 2 doors
I'm
there.
actually debating on putting this one back together with that motor here.
Yeah.
So if I can do that, I will definitely slam some doors with this thing.
with those 2,000 rims, baby. Okay, so just got back to the garage. I have a ton of stuff I have to go through. I'm gonna have to lay everything out. I'm gonna clean off this bench, make sure I have everything laid out, all the bolts, everything's gonna be secured, kosher. Because then what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw the motor that's in the back of the truck. We're gonna throw that on the stand, put that over there for now. Then we're actually gonna come with the hoist, take this destroyed, beautiful beast out, and then we'll be able to drop her in and start just plugging and playing, getting everything back, check the timing, set the TPS, set the CAS and the fluids, and do all that, let it warm up, sit, and you know, that's gonna be about it, I guess. I can't even tell you guys though how freaking stoked I am. I am so excited. Like, it's finally, again, it's just been so much time that has gone into everything for the trying to find the motor, pay for the motor, put everything on the motor, get everything together, get the Robbies, do all the work, get back here, get all the stuff. So it's been quite a bit. It's been a thing. So I have been really thinking about everything, just about trying to swap the car up. I really wanted to come out like this season, like brand new setup, like brand new, you know, different color scheme, different livery, all that jazz. And you know, I talked with the boys in the group, and I talked to a couple people that are in the drift community that asked me if I was driving this season and stuff. And they're like, dude, just put the motor in, get everything dialed, and just drive. Get the seat time, drive. They're like, it still looks sick. Like, the car still looks amazing. But not worry about the body work right now. There's always time, that downtime that I can always do the body work and such and change the color and whatever. So they're right. I want to get back in it. I want to, I'm going to have some special guests on the channel, and it's going to be good. It's going to be new experiences and new beginnings and stuff. So, yeah, just trying to get everything ready and set for the season. So I'm planning on driving probably May. So all of April, I'm going to work on the car, make sure everything's dialed, bolt check, everything like that. We've been pretty fortunate with this winter in Mass. Obviously, global warming is a thing, guys. But I think we had like 2 or 3 days of snow. I mean, from where I'm at near Boston and stuff, I think I had like 2 days of snow, and it wasn't even significant snow. It was like flurries. So, but besides that, yeah, it's going to be good. Hopefully we can drive into the longer months or the later months of the year and stuff, and just really get to working on all this. But again, I am so freaking stoked. I'm stoked for you guys. I'm stoked for more content. I'm stoked for changing things up. Oh, it's so exciting.
You're in. Look at how much. This is at least a foot more from where Robbie's. This, I think it was used for trucks. That's why it's lower down a bit. Yep, got you. Good. Yep. Sir. Right? Yep. Lower it. Okay. Yep.
So yeah, it's gonna be this is kind of like sad, the car. I've had this motor in since day one of the channel. I've pulled it 2 or 3 times already with the boys and stuff, and it's definitely put a lot of mileage on it. Just track time and everything, and it was pretty cool to, I don't know, it's like kind of reminiscing on it. But with that being said, let's get this POS out. Peep this. Yeah, so you can see straight through the pan. That's pretty wild. Dude, I did some damage. Emotional damage. There you go. Freaking grenaded, dude. That oil pickup tube is... Trying to get you guys every angle of this here. Oh, there you go. That looks pretty good up in that piston up in there. Let's see if I can... There it is. Check that out. That looks pretty cool. So this was kind of dangling in the pan. Crazy. I don't know exactly what happened. Again, I can't tell until I actually take off that entire bottom end and actually dig in deep about it and try to figure out exactly what's going on. But all I can really say is clearly there's an issue with the oil pickup tube. So, I mean, but that would have been after the fact. So I think something let loose and then going from there. But yeah, she gone. So I was just kind of like checking everything out, and look at this. I didn't even move it because I want to show you guys. Look at this. Look what it did to the cross member. It literally pushed it in. I'm trying to get you guys a better angle. There it is. Look at that. Holy crap, dude. All right, guys. So before my camera dies and I'm running out of time on it, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support. Thank you, Bobby, for letting me use the hoist. Thank you, Robbie, for letting me keep my motor at your house for eons. Thank you for all you guys supporting the channel and being here for me, especially during all this freaking headache. It's been insane. But we got a new motor. I'm super pumped. And yeah, she out. So crazy excited. But going off from there, we got a couple giveaways going on. The Sunset Auto would have already passed, but then also Oxido hit me up, and they also want to do a collab for some more lighting. So if you guys didn't win the Sunset Auto one, Oxido is going to be hitting you up. So that being said, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're looking for any additional content, all you got to do is click one of the links here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.